Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video, we'll be discussing about typecast. Typecasting is nothing but type conversions also. So we already know what are the data types. Now we are just converting it. Come on, let's start. We are now in our Xcode playground. So let me create a variable here, var age equals 12. Now when I try to print, we know what is the answer already. The type of this variable is an integer, but when we get a variable from the servers or the database and when we need to show them onto the mobile app, we need to change it to the string. Okay, because we show text in an text modifier. Okay, and that text will only take strings as an input, it will not take an integer. So for that, what we can do is var new age equals string of age. Now when you try to print new age and when you try to run this, now the second one is the string. If you want, you can do in this way also, age now this is also correct. Okay, you have directly typecasted it into a string. Now there are two types of type conversions. The first one is manual and the second one is automatic. Now what is manual and what is automatic is, this type is called a manual typecasting because we are saying that there is a number and that needed to be changed into a string. Okay, but when it comes to automatic, the compiler automatically does it. Okay, so automatically typecasting is also known as widening typecasting, and manually typecasting is also known as narrowing typecasting. Okay, coming to the code part, all the casting is done in the same way. We just give a data type here of in which we want to change it to, and then the number or the string, anything in this parenthesis. That's all. Let me show you an example of widening casting, which is automatic. For example, int mind equals 9 and we are now changing into var my double equals double of my int. Okay, it's move double. Okay, move double. Let me do it my, and I duplicated this line here using command D. Okay, so when you hit command D, the line will be duplicated. See, my int is 9, but when we printed this my double, this is automatically changed to 9.0 because double always has an decimal point. Now when we see an example of narrowing casting, which is manual, let us take the same example. Let or var double number equals 3.443 and var int number equals int of double number. Okay, now let us print double number first and in number next. See, we have the lost of data here, which is the lost data is 0.443. Now in this case, it does not matter if it is 0.443 or anything, but when we go into the real world, when we manage real world complex problems, every decimal point has its own value. So that's it for this video. I hope you enjoyed the video. I will meet you in the next one. Bye bye.